when did it get really clear? I'm going to go in this direction in law.
I don't think it ever gets clear.
No.
I mean, in addition to a lawyer, I'm also a business owner, right?
Sure.
Because I have the law firm, I have the title company, and so, it's we're all figuring out how to run businesses,
Sure.
right? We're entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneurs.
And so the law is law. It's a bunch of rules and regulations and way things are done, and you can sit there all day and all night and read and learn that. But practicing law, analyzing situations, this is different, right? It's a way of applying the knowledge that you have there. The thing about law is, actually it's actually very disappointing the way, because we all see law as, okay, these are the rules and regulations, but when you actually practice in it, it's not the way that you would think it is. For example, you're a real estate broker, deposits, right?
Yeah.
Everyone thinks if the buyer backs out of the contract, it's easy for the seller to get the deposit.
Sure.
But the reality is, by the time you get to the deposit, half of it's gone. It's
Sure.
stuck in court. You have to go through these processes. So, understanding the way the laws are written, how
Sure.
they're applied, is very different than what people think the law is. And to me, that was the most disappointing part of the law. But I enjoy helping people. I've always enjoyed listening. And I think as human beings, we all have qualities that we have that are better than others, that we're really good at. And it's important as an individual that you capitalize on those qualities that God has given you. And so to me, I enjoy listening. I enjoy providing advice. I enjoy helping. If I have some knowledge on something I can do that, then, that's what I enjoy. And so when I realized that I have some knowledge and I can help people at the same time, that's when the light bulb hit.
How old were you at that time?
42.
When did you decide to go to law school?
When did I decide to go to law school? When I was an undergrad.
Got it.
When I was an undergrad, and I knew medicine wasn't for me.
Okay.
And I really enjoyed, the writing and the speaking and the learning the rules, and I did a lot of Model United Nations. So, it all kind of fell into the same place.
Was your parents very supportive? You picking law and not medicine?
No. They see parents, they think all lawyers are criminals and liars and crooks. So
Yes.
You're never supported.
That's interesting. I thought it was doctors, lawyers, and engineers. That was it's more doctors and engineers, maybe lawyer in the end.
And maybe accountants now.
Maybe.
Right? So.
Maybe. That's interesting.